Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the skate error code 1341924850. The error reads, "Connection lost. You have been forcefully logged out. See EA.com unable to connect for additional information." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI-generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to start the game. Many users have reported that the game kicks them out and shows this error within seconds of loading in. According to our research, this error is likely caused by connection issues, server problems, or game bugs. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with your network. Simply turn off your gaming device and router. Then disconnect them from the power source, then wait for around 5 minutes, and then power them back on. Once everything restarts, check for the error again. If the error still comes, check if you need to update the game. If there is an update available, install it and see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, close the app completely and reload the game. Then try playing again and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, try connecting over a different network. It can be any alternate Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Then try this and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then go to help.ea.com/en/server status and check if the EA or Skate servers are down. If there is a server issue, you will have to wait till it gets resolved. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.